What are the 5 key symptoms of intergenerational trauma? Have you ever wondered why certain patterns keep showing up in your life again and again, no matter how hard you try to change them? It might not just be your experiences, but it could be the intergenerational trauma affecting you in life. Today, we are diving into 5 key symptoms of intergenerational trauma, patterns that you might have passed down through your family without you even realizing it. Welcome back, beautiful souls. My name is Sanskriti Sethi, and in today's video, we are going to explore something deeply personal and often overlooked: intergenerational trauma. These are emotions, wounds passed down from one generation to other, and they can impact your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being in life. We often carry burdens that are not ours to bear, but by understanding these symptoms, you can begin to heal and free yourself from these cycles. So let's dive into these 5 key signs that intergenerational trauma might be affecting you or your family. Number 1. Emotional triggers without a clear cause. Do you ever feel a sudden urge of anxiety, fear, sadness without knowing why are you feeling the same? It could be a sign of trauma inherited from your ancestors. Intergenerational trauma often manifests as unexplained emotional reactions that don't seem to align with your own life experiences. It's like you're carrying the emotional weight of someone else's story, possibly from generations before you. Pay attention to these moments and ask yourself, is your emotion truly yours? Number 2. Patterns of dysfunctional relationships. Have you ever noticed reoccurring patterns of dysfunction in your relationship? Whether it's trust issues, emotional unavailability, constant conflicts in relationships, these can be inherited behavior shaped by traumas experiences in past generations. Often we mirror the dynamics we have observed and learned from family members who were deeply affected by their own traumas. Think about relationships in your family. Have you ever seen this pattern repeated in your life? Number 3. Chronic feeling of guilt and shame. Another sign is feeling guilty or ashamed for no clear reason. Many people who experience intergenerational trauma carry the weight of shame and guilt related to events that they have never personally experienced, such as a war, poverty, abuse faced by their ancestors. It's just like the guilt has been passed down without you even knowing its origin. If you have ever felt this way, know that you're not alone. These feelings aren't necessarily your own story this time. Number 4. The fear of abandonment and insecurity. I cannot tell you how common this is, how commonly people come to me for the same. Do you constantly fear being abandoned or feel a deep sense of insecurity from the people around your own family, your own friend circle? This can be a sign of trauma passed down from your generation. Often past trauma related to loss, whether the war, the family separation, are imprinted on this. It's an inherited fear. Even if you've not experienced abandonment in your life, you may experience this as an emotion in your life. Drop a comment if this resonates with you. Have you experienced this fear in your relationships? I really need to know that in the comment section. Number 5. Unresolved physical ailments and chronic health issues. So many people come to me with such chronic illness where there's no medical improvement, no medical analysis, but they still feel the same. Finally, intergenerational trauma doesn't just affect the mind, but it also shows up into your body too. Chronic pain, the diseases, the persistent health issues that doesn't have clear medical explanation might be linked to the trauma passed on through your family. Research has shown that trauma can alter DNA and affect the way future generations experience the stress and illness. If you or your loved ones deal with the ongoing health issues, it's worth considering possibility that this could be linked to the unhealed trauma from your family's past. For that, what you need to do is book your ancestral reading and healing. It's a beautiful 30-minute session with me online. You can hop onto my website www.sanskritiseti.com or WhatsApp on +919634003939. The link is given in the description box. Now, these are just 5 of the many signs that intergenerational trauma could be impacting your life. But there's a good news, like the trauma can be passed down, healing can also be passed. By recognizing these symptoms, you're already taken the first step towards breaking the cycle, bringing healing not only to yourself but to your future generations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences. Let's start a conversation about healing together, because you deserve to live free from the burdens of the past. And if you are ready to deep dwell into this journey, check out my other videos on healing through Akashic Records and breaking generational cycles. See you next time, beautiful souls. See you in the next video, and see you soon.